What is up, my friends? How's it going? So today we have a Nintendo Switch, which has an orange screen of death. We can't get past this. It's pretty much a brick machine until we fix it. Let's turn it around and see if we can fix it. It normally is caused by a bad Wi-Fi IC, and this is usually covered by the eMMC, which is right there. The eMMC is like the hard drive of the machine. It's pretty much what lets the machine boot. So let's just take that off so we can get a better idea of the Wi-Fi IC. It's also known as the Broadcom BCM 4356 XKUBG chip. All that medical jargon, you know what I'm talking about. So let's take everything off and fast forward, because I have no time for just discussing little factors. Shake, 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 and take it off. All right, it's almost out. It's ready to go. Get some lunch after this. Alright, so let's go to Ant-Man mode. So there it is. There's our Wi-Fi IC. And we're going to take it off the board because we have to put on a new one. Yeah. Alright, a little bit of hot air on there. Yeah, we like to use 360-60, so 360 degrees Celsius, 60 airflow. Make sure it's directly on there. Alright, it should come right off. Alright, there we go. Now this is a BGA chip, so we're going to have to reball the new one. So we're going to have to clean up that dance floor. So what we like to do is we like to put some of that leaded solder on there, leaded Kester solder. 6337. Just pretty much, we're just hovering over it, okay? Because when we take off all those balls that are there, we like to do it with ease and without hardly any problems. So the best way to do it is to, oh whoops, what happened here? One of those little capacitors. So the best way to do it is with a solder wick and some hot air. That's after we've already applied a little bit of our leaded stuff. Yeah, let's clean that dance floor. Alright. Yeah, because when we put on the new chip, we kind of want it flush. So it goes on there nicely. Yeah, pretty nicely. Alright. Well, let's get the other side. Nice and gentle. Always gotta be gentle, because regardless, I don't want to lift up one of those pads. I lift up one of those pads and this let's say it's a 20-minute repair. For a 20-minute repair, it could be a 2-hour repair, and I don't really want that. Nobody really wants that. Just make sure I'm always loaded with flux and a nice new wick all the time. Get everything all good on there for chip landing. Yeah, which is the next step. Like to put on a new BGA chip. Alright, all cleaned up. Now we just put some flux on there, some nice clean flux. Nothing burnt, of course. Make sure it's all kind of even, so then when we put the new chip on there, it's ready to go. Alright, our nicely reballed chip. I actually did the reballing off camera. And next time I'll do it. But notice here that the balls are on that one edge, on that right edge, so it's not completely even. So when I put it on there, see, because there's nothing right there on the left. So when I put it on there, I'm mainly just thinking about that. Well, when I turn it around, it's gonna be the left edge, that left top. So make sure that's pretty much square with our our PCB board. Just kind of centering it right. Center. Alright. Almost there. Up. There you go, that's alright. Just get a little bit of hot air on there. I'm bringing the hot air from the top. You have to pretty much make sure it's not super close by, because I want it to heat up gradually. You don't want it to heat up crazy fast. It's very gradual. Everything's very gradual, because we don't want that chip moving around and getting out of alignment. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you guys like this, want to see more videos like this, definitely like, share, and subscribe. And maybe even comment. Let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like. Always want to make better content for you. And yeah, keep you entertained. Learning a little bit. We gotta learn how to do this stuff. We don't want our machines bricked forever. Especially, let's say you've been playing I don't know, like I was saying, Fortnite. You've been playing Fortnite, or you've been playing any sort of game. You got to a certain level, and then you obviously cannot buy your saved game data back. So that's where we come in. Like to fix your stuff, you can always mail it into repair, and well, one of our technicians will be more than happy to help you out. All right, just gotta get that back in there. Enough with my advertisement. Yes, I'm gonna do that that meta thing, where I acknowledge myself. Yes, I'm making an advertisement. Alright. Still kind of juicy in there. Alright, come on, let's go in. Now this is for our LCD. And I have a little bit of a... Sometimes this happens. We gotta really push it in. There we go. Looks like it's... Looks like we're having some problems on the right, pushing it in. Okay, should be good. Yeah, sometimes we get things like stuck in there, and we have to change the LCD connector all the time. It's a real pain. Luckily, we didn't have to do it on this machine. But I hope this fix works. Just gotta get those Wi-Fi antennas. Get that connector. That connector is pretty much for the game cartridge. Audio. Another speaker right there. And we got power. We put our power back in there. Let's see if the switch turns on. All right. Yeah. And that's what we like to see. We like to see that our switch is powering on and the orange screen of death is gone. Now sometimes when we do this repair, there's a thing where the internet can stop working. So just before we're done, I'm just going to test it out, make sure that we get internet, make sure that everything's fully functional, because we don't want to give it back to our customer and then, you know, they're like, hey dude, internet's not working, and it just ruins our day. You know, they got to ship it back, or if they're in town, it's not going to be a good reputation on our part. So we like to fully test it, even though it's definitely exciting to fix these things. All right, our internet is connected, so I think that's almost safe to say that it's a fix. Just checking everything out, making sure the game plays. I think we're gonna put Mario Kart today. Yeah, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, the deluxe version. All right. I didn't connect my Joy-Cons. Okay, let's put those in. Let's put those puppies in there really quick. Remember, we're just testing. We're just testing. Are we playing? Yeah, we're testing. Yeah, this is the fun part of this job. We get to play video games, and we get paid for it. Yeah, it's only it's all fun when it works. All right, looks good. All right, everybody. Everything's working. Now I'm just taking them off, making sure they work when I take them off. Okay, let's continue the game. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Like, share, subscribe, and have an absolute fantastic rest of your day. Thanks, guys.